I'm a teen.
I'm sorry, I cannot help you. See what your son's shine dance did to these kids? Oh, it's dark.
Bad sunshine dance.
Sunshine!
No! Sunshine!
Oh, they must not want to go to the pool then.
I know, right? Oh my God, he's trying to twist me.
Okay, he's doing it. He's doing it.
You're dumb. You're dumb. You're dumb. You're dumb.
That's not the right dance. Sorry.
You're dumb.
What is going on over here?
You're dumb.